alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright.
Hello student, today we are going to see greater than and lesser than. Okay, lesser and greater. But before we see here, hello friends, I am Charlie the crocodile. Whenever I am hungry, I always eat the bigger number. Whenever I am hungry, I always eat the bigger number. I like bigger number to eat. Now, see here, I will eat fish, but I will eat more fish, not one. I want more fish. So where is the more, right side or left side? Where are the more fish, right side or left side? I think left side. See, oh my God, here are some good tasty frogs. But where are the more frogs, right or left side? So left side, more frogs. So I eat more frogs. 4 frogs. And here left right side 2 frogs are there. So I eat 4 frogs. So less than and greater than. I always eat the greater number. So here greater is the symbol of that greater and the symbol of less. Okay, I always eat the greater number. So I like to eat greater numbers. So students, here, which number will he eat? My question is, which number he will eat? Crocodile eat always big number. Now 5 or 9, which number? 9 number. 9 number is big number. So greater number is 9. So he eat 9 number. How can we show this? How can we show this now? How can we show this? See, now 5 and 9. Which is greater? Which is big number? Yes, this is crocodile mouth. Crocodile always eat big number. So 9 is the big number. Now here it's a time to practice. Okay. So always crocodile eat bigger number. So bigger and smaller. Bigger and smaller. 12 and 10. Which is bigger, greater, bigger number? Yes, which is, I will give you time. Which is bigger number? Yes, 12 is bigger number and 10 is smaller number. So greater and smaller. Okay, greater means big, smaller means less. So here, which is lesser number? Lesser means small. 13 or 17, I will give you time. 2 seconds. 13 or 17? 13 or 17? Yes, lesser number is 13 and greater is 17. Greater means big number, less means small number. Okay, so now next we will see 9 and 12. So which is greater? Yes. Which is big? You tell me. 9 or 12? 12. So 12 is greater, means 12 is big number. Okay, so now hooray, today I will solve all the compare numbers. I learned all the compare numbers. Now we will see greater than, less than and equal. Now greater number and less number. Now we will see next. Meet the alligator family. Meet the alligator family. Okay. So what the alligator tell to us? We will see here. Alligator, I am Mr. Less than. I am Mrs. Greater than. I am Mr. Less than. I am Mrs. Greater than. So these are both Mr. Less and Mrs. Greater. We like to eat bigger numbers. 3, 1, 4. We won't like small fish when there are bigger ones to eat. Oh, she doesn't want us. So we want always bigger number. So we like bigger number always. The alligator always want to eat the bigger number. Okay. So that is they like to eat always bigger number. Okay. So they don't like smaller number. So see here, alligator always like bigger number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So fish, which fish will be eaten by the alligator? Which is the big number? 5 or 7? Which is the big number? 5 or 7? Now which is the greater number means big number? That alligator like. Yes. 7 means 7 is bigger than 5. So 7 7 fish alligator eat. Okay, so answer is what? 5 is smaller and 7 is bigger. So 7 number alligator eat bigger number. Okay, means 7. Now here, which alligator would eat the fish? 7 or 5? Mr. Less or Mrs. Greater? Which alligator would eat the fish? Yes, 7. The alligator eats the bigger number. Remember the one thing. What? The alligator eats the bigger number. Alligator eats always bigger number. Okay. So here is 7 number alligator is eating. Okay. Alligator eats 7 number. So which alligator eat the fish? Yes, 7. Now which alligator would eat the fish? 9 or 8? Remember, the alligator eats the bigger number. Which is the bigger, 9 or 8? Yes, 9 number is bigger number. So, which alligator eats which alligator eats the bigger number? 8 or 9? Now you tell me. Which? Yes, 9. 9 is the bigger number. So, always alligator eat big numbers. Okay. So, we use the symbol for Mr. Less, and here we use the symbol for greater, Mrs. Greater than, and Mr. Less than. Okay. So rules for reading more than, less than. Okay. First you read the problem left to right. Second, bigger number on left is more than. Third number, bigger number on right is less than. Okay, so remember these rules, and these rules helps to you to know about more than or lesser than. Understood? Now we will see the examples. How we will take the example. Now which 7 or 3? Which is the greater and which is the smaller? Mr. Small lesser and greater. Mrs. Less greater. So 7 is big number. So 7 is greater than 3. 7 is greater than 3. Yes. Now second, 4 and 6. Which is smaller and which is greater? Yes, 4 is smaller and 6 is greater. So 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 4. Yes. So which is greater? 6. 4 is less than 6. Sorry. 4 is less than 6 and 4 is less than 6. Now we will see here equal to rules. When the numbers are the same, they are equal to each other. When the numbers are same, then we will say the equal. These fishes are equal to each other. Okay, this both. Now 7 fishes are equal. Fish are equal to both each other. Hey, look, we are the same. Yes, we are my twin. So when the same are there, so that time this equal symbol we will use. Okay, 7 plus 7 and 7. So these are equal. Okay, so these equal numbers are there. We will use. Okay. Now we will see here the examples of equal. Okay. No alligator will eat fish. They are equal. So we will see the example of equal three fish. Three fish means both are the same. So equal symbol we will use. Okay. 8 fish less 8 here, left also 8 and right also 8. So we will use equal symbol. I hope you understand, boys and girls. Okay.